Dear Tahishinoni Independent Product Consultants, thank you very much for your leadership over the years and your commitment to be present with your teams at this very important event at the beginning of 2011. The international kickoff of a new, an exciting, a fruitful, but most importantly, a profitable new year for your T&I business. Now for me as the Managing Director of Europe, it's going to be my first annual kickoff in this company. And let me tell you how very excited I am about it. The last 3 months that I've been associated with our company, I've met and spoken with many of you face to face. And I'm truly honored to be associated with a company that has such an impressive international group of highly committed entrepreneurial people that build a successful business with us. I've worked at a number of international nutrition companies before, but this is the first company that I know of that truly brings together all required success factors to make it the best company of its kind. And to explain that to you, I use the acronym TRUST. Trust means a lot to me. And trust means a lot to anybody in this world. And I'm sure that trust has determined your interest to be part of our company. To me, the word trust means even more. Because the word is made up of 5 different letters. And each of those letters has a specific meaning, forming an important element of the overall trust in T&I. The T in trust stands for true. People want to be involved with a company that is a true company. A company that has true products. A company that is led by true leaders. In the last few months, I've discovered that T&I is definitely such a true company. It all starts with the founders. These are true leaders. They're not just business people. In fact, there are 2 kinds of business people in our society. The first kind of business people, they've made a decision that they want to run a business and they start looking for something to sell. The second kind of business people are people that have discovered something and realized that this product can be turned into a successful business concept. To me, that is a huge difference. The founders of T&I are business people of the second kind. They've seen the great potential of the Tahishinoni fruit and its bioactive components in changing the paradigm of the nutrition and health business in today's world. Their 15 years of commitment to Tahishinoni fruit has allowed them to build a company that spans the globe. Today we are selling our products in over 70 countries worldwide. Now I do not know of any company that has been able to expand that quickly over the world in a mere 15 years. This was only possible due to the fact that we are talking about a true company. The company also has a true product. Our flagship product is our line of Tahishinoni bioactive beverages, and this is so much more than just your ordinary fruit juice or even your ordinary superfruit juice. Noni is a certified medicinal plant. It has a history for over 2,000 years in French Polynesia, and the whole population of that archipelago has relied on this highly valuable fruit and its bioactive components to promote their health. Many people have used the fruit to deal with their health challenges, and it was because of the vision of John Wadsworth that this fruit has been brought to the Western world. This is not as easy as it may sound, because people in governments are always skeptical about things that they've never heard of. And that's why the company had to invest in proving that the company is safe for consumption. And this strong commitment of the company and its founders have made it possible that in Europe, the company has been awarded 3 novel food approvals. This is very unique in the nutrition industry. I know of very few companies that have accomplished a similar success. Now, the fact that the European Union has awarded Tahishinoni these novel food approvals means that they unconditionally trust our commitment to safety and providing value to customers. I've become convinced that we have a true company with a true product led by true leaders. That brings me to the R in the word trust. The R to me stands for research. Now, as you may know, I'm trained as a biochemist, and I find it very important that I'm associated with products and companies that are based on solid, independent, but mostly credible research. Tahishinoni has a wealth of personal stories associated with it. Many customers and IPCs have shared their belief in our product with the world. And these stories and personal testimonies are very convincing. In fact, they're the best ways of spreading our products across the globe. But I think it's also very important that these stories are backed up by independent research. TNI has invested in performing 14 human clinical trials to date. From experience, I know that this is not easy. Performing clinical studies requires a lot of expertise and money. Convincing scientists requires research performed to the state of the art. And when I was able to visit the research facility of TNI, I saw that state-of-the-art equipment that the group of scientists have available to them. And because of this research performed by TNI, we know more and more about the health benefits of the noni fruit, and which bioactive components in the plant are responsible for these effects. But, it's likely that we only know 10% or maybe less about the ingredients of the noni fruit, because it's a very complex mixture of bioactive components. We are, in fact, on a very exciting journey to learn more and more about the noni fruit. Again, this is because of the commitment from the founders to make sure that we further this knowledge every single year. The Verdegem Research Symposium, for example, that helps us to spread this knowledge around the world. This symposium is clear proof that the company takes research seriously. And it's not only in the game to make a profit, but truly to bring the health benefits of the unique plant to the world so that we can all benefit from it. Research and credibility, they are essential for the success of TNI in Europe. So now we are at the U in the word trust. It stands for unique. Successful company has a unique product, a product that cannot be simply copied by its competitors. TNI has this unique position because of the research, again, that has been performed. TNI has been awarded international patents for the use of the noni fruit, and this means that it's very difficult for a competitor to sell a similar product. In fact, because of our leading position in the noni market, our company has been asked by international authorities to set the standard for the quality and safety assessment of noni products worldwide on the market. And so far, our quality, our safety, and our efficacy have not been matched by anyone. S in trust stands for sustainable. You want to be involved with a company that has a sustainable business plan, a sustainable product to ensure its future. And TNI has a sustainable future because of three critical factors. First, we see in our society that people want to take their health in their own hands. They're no longer relying on conventional pharmaceutical interventions. They tend to distrust the often occurring side effects of pharmaceutical interventions. They believe that prevention and natural products are the best option. And second, the product itself is also highly sustainable because the company owns the complete value chain from the actual growing of the plant on the islands of French Polynesia all the way down to manufacturing the bioactive beverages from the fruit. This means tree to bottle really stands firmly in the company's values. This is a unique concept in the nutrition industry. Most companies that I know of outsource parts of this value chain to other companies, and by doing so, they sacrifice the control on quality and efficacy of their products. Now, TNI's total control of this value chain ensures that every product you buy from us is guaranteed of constant quality and efficacy all the way down to the last drop in every single bottle. And thirdly, finally, the company itself is also highly sustainable. And that's because of our unique business model. People see today that they need to take care of themselves more and more, also financially. We offer a business plan for entrepreneurial people with very low upfront investment requirement. No overhead, no inventory, no staff. Now, which business could be simpler than to share your personal story about your success with noni bioactive beverages with everybody you know around you? And by doing so, you can create a long-term sustainable business. Finally, the T in trust. This stands for treasure. Successful company has a product that people value, that people want to pay money for. Would you say Tahitian Noni is such a company? Well, you bet they are. All around the world, we see that people value natural solutions for health issues. People get more and more convinced that nature is the best option for healthy living. People want to pay money for quality products. The signs truly say that we can expect a wave, well, maybe even a tsunami, of people that want to be professionally involved with Tahitian Noni International. So in conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, TNI is truly ideally positioned in this new world in 2011. We have a true product, We have a true company. We have true leadership. We have research products which make them unique, but more importantly, highly sustainable. We deliver them through a sustainable marketing channel. And that is what people treasure. In one word, trust. Trust D&I, trust your ability to make your business a huge success. Dear IPCs, thank you very much again for your leadership over the years and your commitment to this company. We are right at the beginning of an incredible wave of success for T&I in Europe, in all our markets for that matter. Let's succeed together.